Welcome to the Zenix EMS in-service tutorial video series. This series provides detailed information about the Zenix Monitor Defibrillator and its functionality. These videos serve as an adjunct to formal training. Please take time to read the operator's guide, available online at ZOLL.com. Obtain formal training from an appropriate authority before using Zenix for patient care. In this overview, we will review the pulse oximetry features of the Zenix Monitor Defibrillator. To utilize the Masimo pulse oximetry features, first attach the patient cable to the side of the device. There are red indicators on the cable and the device to ensure it is properly connected. Choose a site on the patient to apply the appropriate sensor. The site should be well perfused. When the connection is made between the sensor and the unit, a searching message appears in the display. After a brief delay, the unit displays the pulse oximetry measurement as a large yellow number in the SpO₂ window. As the initial measurement is being displayed, the Plethysmograph waveform automatically appears on the screen. Highlight and select the SpO₂ window to adjust general settings and alarms. Zenix can be purchased with additional Masimo parameters, which appear next to the SpO₂ value in a scrolling format. If the sensor is dislodged or removed from the patient, a medium priority alarm will activate on the device with a check sensor site message in the parameter window. To clear this alarm, reapply the sensor to the patient. We have now reviewed the pulse oximetry features of the Zenix Monitor Defibrillator.